Mass production of cherries is a well-coordinated process that ensures a consistent supply of fresh, high-quality fruit through careful harvesting and advanced streamlined techniques. Large-scale cherry production typically employs mechanical harvesters, which use specialized vibrating arms to shake trees and release ripe cherries onto catching systems or tarps. These machines significantly reduce labor costs and increase efficiency compared to manual picking. The first step in processing is the washing and cleaning phase, which is crucial for removing dirt, pesticides, and any potential contaminants. Cherries are typically submerged in large water tanks or passed through high-pressure water sprays to ensure thorough cleaning. Some facilities incorporate food-safe sanitizing agents or ozone treatments to eliminate bacteria and prolong shelf life. The washing process must be gentle enough to prevent bruising, while ensuring the cherries are adequately cleaned for further processing. This washing design serves multiple purposes. It helps to streamline the movement of cherries, prevents overcrowding that could lead to bruising, and ensures uniform exposure to the washing process. Cherries enter the system through an initial submersion tank, where they are soaked to loosen dirt, debris, and pesticide residues. From here, they travel through a network of small water channels, which are strategically separated to create a steady, controlled flow of fruit, rather than an overwhelming mass moving at once. This division allows for more precise handling, reducing the likelihood of cherries colliding and getting damaged. Some advanced systems integrate ozone or chlorine-based sanitization to further eliminate bacteria and prolong freshness. Filtration systems are embedded within the water channels to continuously remove dirt, stems, and leaves, preventing recirculation of debris. As cherries progress through the different stages of washing, their movement is carefully regulated by the force of the water and the gentle incline of the conveyors, ensuring they are thoroughly cleaned while minimizing impact. cherries are then gradually lifted out of the water using specialized conveyor belts equipped with soft rollers or perforated surfaces that allow excess water to drain efficiently. The final stage in the washing process involves air blowers that remove any remaining moisture, preparing the cherries for sorting and packaging. The entire system is designed for maximum efficiency, ensuring that large quantities of cherries are cleaned quickly while maintaining their delicate texture and visual appeal. Cherries enter the sorting and grading phase, a highly automated and meticulous system designed to separate cherries based on quality, size, color, and ripeness. This phase is crucial for ensuring that only the best cherries make it to market, while defective or subpar fruits are redirected for processing into juices, jams, or frozen products. The first step involves cherries being transported via conveyor belts from the washing section into a pre-sorting area, where any remaining debris, such as stems or leaves, is manually or mechanically removed. Then, the cherries are fed into optical sorting machines equipped with advanced camera systems, infrared sensors, and laser scanners. These high-speed machines take multiple images of each cherry as they pass through, analyzing factors such as diameter, skin blemishes, color uniformity, and overall fruit integrity. Size grading is another key component of this phase, as cherries are categorized into different size classes using precision rollers or vibrating trays with adjustable gaps. Larger premium cherries are set aside for fresh consumption, while smaller or less visually appealing ones are often designated for food processing. Some systems also utilize weight-based sorting, where cherries are briefly placed on tiny weighing platforms before being routed to the appropriate packaging line. Throughout this process, human quality control inspectors may intervene at various points to ensure the automation is functioning correctly and to make final adjustments. Once sorted and graded, cherries are carefully funneled onto separate conveyor lines leading to their respective packaging stations, ensuring that each batch is uniform in appearance and quality before it continues down the supply chain. This meticulous sorting system not only enhances efficiency in large-scale production, but also maximizes market value by ensuring that consumers receive cherries that meet strict industry standards. Fresh cherries are typically packed into plastic clamshell containers, perforated bags, or cardboard boxes with ventilated liners, all designed to protect the fruit while allowing proper airflow to reduce moisture buildup. In large-scale operations, automated weighing and filling systems ensure precise portioning, preventing over or under packing while maintaining consistency across shipments. For export markets, cherries are often packed in specially designed containers with insulation and cooling gel packs to maintain freshness during long-distance transportation. Throughout the packaging and storage process, rigorous quality control checks are conducted to ensure that only the highest quality cherries reach consumers. Sensors and tracking systems monitor temperature conditions, and batches are labeled with barcodes or QR codes for inventory management and traceability. Once packaged and stored, cherries are ready for distribution, efficiently moving through logistics networks to reach grocery stores, markets, and food processing companies worldwide.